Hi guys, this is Anna from Anna and Ivy, and I just wanted to tell you that I uploaded a new version of the Burnt Orange set. So it's not a new version, but I added some things, some animated things, and I just want to show you how to use them. And yeah, so I'm inside Photoshop. You can use them in Photoshop, in After Effects or Premiere Pro from Adobe, and I think in Final Cut Pro too, but since I don't use Final Cut, I have no idea how this works. So I added all the elements you can see in the animated stories which come with the set as single transparent background elements. So I just opened a file, or I just created a file in Photoshop to show you how to work with them or how to use them. It's super easy and very quick. You can't use them on your iPad or something like this because the iPad or the iPhone or any phone doesn't support the movie, how does it call, movie format I use with these elements, so there is no other way than using them on your computer, but I think that's fine. So you will find the elements inside the download folder, in the animated elements folder. I just created a new file inside Photoshop. It's totally up to you how huge or small your file is. Simply drag and drop your element. Maybe we will take this one and then the other one and another one. So now you cannot see anything because what we need is our timeline. You will find it under Window, Timeline, and it's very important to click on Create Video Timeline, and please don't click on Create Frame Animation. Please click on the Video Timeline. Here we go. Click and you will see the elements are here, and here is the animation. All of the three elements are not really good together at this point because we have to move it. So you can move it with this small tool and arrange it as you like them. And another thing you have to look on or take care of is if you add a new layer which is not from this animated element set, because all of these elements have 50 seconds of length. If you add like a solid color on top, or I don't know where, you can see something is going on here. So simply make sure all of your layers you have here are also over here with the same length. So delete it. And now I want to show you how to colorize these. So you can create, of course, a clipping mask with a pattern or whatever on top of it, but the easiest way to colorize it is simply go here, down here, and go to color overlay, and then choose the color you want to. I will do it with the other ones too, to demonstrate you how easy and fast this goes. Look how easy and fast this is. Okay, this looks kind of strange. So here we go. Now we have this wonderful, amazing rainbow over here. What you can do now is, first of all, let's take a look at the animation. Isn't this amazing? Yeah. What we can do now is we can transform the files. So you can basically do everything with the files what you would do with a smart object. So Command T for transform, or Edit, Free Transform. And what you can also do is warp them. So you could warp it like this, I don't know, maybe this small Well, maybe the small rainbow decides to be different. And as you can see, the animation still works. This is like super cool. Let's take it back to the original file. So I don't know, if you want to create a clipping mask, whatever, you can make whatever you like. Next step is very important: export the video. Please keep in mind that Photoshop is not really a video application or video program, so it takes a bit longer than you are maybe used to it in Premiere Pro or wherever to render the file. So go to File, Export, and then Render Video. At the end, make sure that you have document size chosen, and you can change the frame rate to 24 or 25 or leave it at 30, it's up to you. Render, and that's it. So yeah, have fun and leave me a comment if you like this tutorial. Bye.